Good morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Wanted to jump in real quickly and give you a update on how things are going to occur around the county today with the weather. Let's go ahead and first start off by taking a look at what's going on right now outside. So as you can see, we've got what appears to be some isolated spotty showers around the state. I think some of this may just be some radar clutter due to fog, so we'll have to see how that plays out. But I do think the radar is being a little bit influenced by some fog. There probably is some mist in some of these areas where that's showing up, but we'll continue to keep an eye on that. And while we're talking about the fog, let's go ahead and pull up what everything looks like right now. So we'll turn the radar off and just bring up the satellite imagery here. And as you can see, some pretty dense fog as you get into the upstate of South Carolina, and that kind of trails up into the south and east of us as well. Of course, we've got some fog around the county as well. And if you look at what the airports are reporting around the area, you will see that there are some fog updates. A couple of areas reporting some rain. Again, that could be some light mist, but we'll certainly keep you updated on that. Now, let me go ahead and turn off the satellite here, and we will bring up what the temperatures are looking like outside right now. So you can see we are we're in the 70s around the county, low 70s, 70 in Salisbury right now. And depending on where you are, you could be in the upper 60s. Also, dew points right now at 70 as well. So the atmosphere is very soupy. That's why you see that fog occurring, because the dew point and the temperatures are matching up perfectly. So there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We'll continue to keep an eye on that as we go through the day. Let's talk about what our main drivers are for the forecast today. We're going to see the chance for isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. And with that, the Storms Prediction Center has us under a general thunderstorm risk. I certainly don't think we're going to see a repeat of yesterday by any means, because the atmosphere is just not conducive, if you will, for how that'll play out for us today. So let's take a look at what the models are indicating. I will tell you that I think they're a little bit overstated this morning with what they're showing in terms of showers and thunderstorms around the area. I do think the fog's having a little bit of an impact on what they're showing here. But this is 7 a.m. this morning, and as we go through the morning, you'll see those showers and storms that are showing up on the models moving toward the county, but they start to dissipate and go away as we get to really around mid-morning and toward the afternoon hours. As we head through the afternoon and evening, you see just some isolated spotty stuff. By what are we looking at here? 2 o'clock today, you see some isolated showers start to develop around the county. This is 3, 4, 5, 6 p.m. Things are starting to kind of go out. 7, 8, 9. There's a line of showers and thunderstorms that looks like they try to develop in the mountains and foothills. 10 p.m., 11 p.m., and here's midnight. So we get to the end of the day. Now, I will say that if you look at the rainfall totals, we're only looking at about a quarter of an inch of rainfall, which is a far cry from where we were yesterday at this time. So let's go ahead and back this back up, and we're going to get to back to 7 a.m. here where we started. And we'll take a look at how the temperatures are going to progress throughout the day. So this is right now, again, 7 a.m. You see temperatures according to the models and around 73 in Salisbury. It's 70 right now, so they're a tad bit off, as I said, but I think the fog is having an impact on how they're reading this morning. As we go through the day, you'll see as we get near lunchtime, things start to heat up around the county as the fog starts to burn off. We're going to stay mostly cloudy through the day, though. So you're looking at temperatures in the, depending on where you are in the county, in the mid to upper 70s to low 80s as you head south and east in the county. We'll continue to go through the day here, and you'll see this is now, so we're looking at, this is 12, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. You see some cooling going on in here, and I do think that that's where the models are indicating there could be some isolated showers and storms. So, of course, when that happens, you're going to see the temperature drop in those areas from some evaporational cooling. And then as we continue to go through, we're now at 7 p.m., 8, 9, 10, 11, and now midnight. So again, by midnight tonight, we're going to see temperatures around the county in the mid to upper 70s. And that's pretty much where it's going to lay out for us today. Now, you might ask, well, what's causing that to happen for us? And we're going to talk about that as well. Let me go ahead and get my drawing tools on here, and I'll give you an outline of what's driving our temperature, or well, our weather in general and our temperatures today. So there is a stalled front that is kind of hanging out, and it pretty much is along this line right here. And it goes, of course, kind of cuts off the southwest mountains of the state for us, and then it goes down into the upstate of South Carolina and back out toward the coast. And as that front will begin to weaken today, there'll be a ridge of high pressure, the Atlantic Ridge, that's going to push it back up north on us. So we'll see that front start to recede. And as it does, we'll get a southwest flow of wind that's going to come through. And that's going to start to get the temperatures to warm up a little bit this afternoon, but not as much as what we're going to see as we go through the day tomorrow and Thursday, and of course Friday. And then by the weekend, we'll see things start to clear up and cool down again because of the cold front that'll come through. It could bring in some isolated showers. But as far as today goes, we'll see temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Again, mostly cloudy skies, a 30% chance of isolated showers and storms are possible as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. Again, only about 1/4 of an inch of rainfall with any of these storms that come over. You've got a better chance of staying dry today than of course, yesterday. And then the real story, again, as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, is going to be the heat index, because the heat's going to be on with that southwest flow of wind. We're going to see heat indices in the upper 90s and low 100s. So if you're doing any kind of work outside, make sure that you hydrate and keep yourself cool. And then again, by Saturday, things are going to start to feel a little bit more pleasant for us. We'll be in the low to mid 80s. And again, the chance for rain returns with that cold front that comes through. But whatever happens, we're going to keep you updated right here on Rowan County Weather. And as always, thank you for following and enjoy your Tuesday.